63. I think this is the way I want to go. I want to go down that other side. Uh-oh, there's the trail. There it is. Yeah, fun stuff. Now to me, this part right here is more challenging to me than anything that's on 91 or 92. So I'm going to go ahead and walk this down just because I'm by myself, and the last thing I need to do is go flipping down this hill so far from the truck. You guys can laugh at me all you want, but it just isn't worth it. Oh. Alright, now I'm going to try 90. I've never been on 90.